and I always was inclined to films because of my father. And at the back of my head, I always wanted to get into filmmaking. I mean, there was always a thought that filmmaking karna hai. So then I started doing Jagga Jasoos, and that's how my entry into the world of independent filmmaking came in. And yeah, then Galti Se mistake happened by mistake. It actually happened by mistake. RK was there, Dada was there. We just jammed. We came up with some steps. If you see that birthday cutting, cake cutting ka that Dada came up with कि ऐसा कोई बैठेगा उसके ऊपर केक रखेंगे, काटेंगे उसको. One of the best people I've worked with in the industry or anywhere is Ranbir Kapoor. As a human, as an actor, as a person, as a technician, as everything. He's a whole package.
You know, for people who don't know, obviously your sister is Rupali Ganguly,
Yes.
and she being an actor, your dad being a filmmaker.
Yeah.
So how did dance happen to you?
Basically, my dad always believed that, you know, if you get something easily, you will not value it. So he, with Rupali and me, both, he was very strict. So there was a point where he actually, these were his words, कि अपने बाप के होटल में बहुत खाना खा लिया, अब बाहर जाके आटे दाल का भाव पता करो. Literally, this is what he told us. And he said, now figure your life on your own. We were young in college. I was very young, and I said, ab kare kya, you know, like, so I started editing. I started learning editing, you know. That was, and he used to tell me that if you want to get into films, whatever to do with films, firstly understand the process of editing, and if you want to become a director, understand writing. So I always was a technical person, so I got into editing and all. And during that time, my sister also was, you know, doing a couple of series and stuff like that. And we happened to go to a show where Shamak Davar was doing his summer funk classes. I'm talking about more than 20 years back. So my sister, we all were there, and she enjoyed the show. There were little kids dancing, older people dancing, and she said, "Mujhe to karna hai, main join kar rahi hu classes." And I said, "नहीं नहीं, dancing is not my cup of tea. I'm not joining it and all." So she said कि तू भी कर ले. So I didn't join. I said, "पागल है, मैं editing कर रहा हूँ." And I used to make promos of South Indian dub films at that point. So she joined the class. She enjoyed it. And one day she told me, just if you're in Bandra, just there's the check. Go and just enroll me for the next batch. So I went, and I was a little absent-minded at that time. I still am. But that time I was a little more absent-minded, you know, mind was everywhere. So I went and I gave the check. They asked the name. I said, "My name is Vijay Ganguly," and I came back with the receipt, gave it to my sister. My name is written on the receipt. So my sister's like, "तेरा नाम लिखा है?" I said, "हाँ, ये तो मेरा नाम लिखा है. तो क्या करें?" So she's like, "अभी बहुत प्रोसेस होगा इसको चेंज करने में. तू चले जा, 1-2 क्लासेस कर ले." I said, "Okay, let's just go. Let's see what happens." So I went to this Bandra class, and I could do the steps like 1, 2, 3. I could do it. I'm like, हाँ, ये तो मैं कर पा रहा हूँ, you know. And early in the childhood days, we used to dance literally in, you know, हमारे दुर्गा पूजा में डांस कर लिया, या घर पे कोई पार्टी हुई तो डांस कर लिया, you know, मिथुन दा की कॉपी कर ली, वैसे करते थे. And I could do the steps that teacher was teaching me, and I was like, yes, I can do this. And a couple of classes later, Shamak came in. He saw, he said, "Yeah, you're doing pretty well. Why don't you come in for advanced training?" And I was like, I don't know if I want to dance. I don't know what I want to do with life. I have no idea, because dad is like कि हाँ तुम अपना ढूंढो. And as I started training with Shamak, the first show was in the US of A. और मैं सीधा, मैंने कभी इंडिया से बाहर नहीं गया, मैं सीधा पहुंच गया. मैं बोला, ये तो अच्छा है, डांस भी करना है. And it was so much fun because you're on stage, you're getting instant reaction from people. You know, there's so much exposure. I said, चलो यही करते हैं. So then dance happened to me, and then I continued dancing, teaching, dancing, doing shows. And obviously Shamak used to do very less films. So I used to be a part of every film he's done till date.
That's amazing. That's a very happy accident.
Yeah, it was literally.
Yeah. In fact, Namoshi Chakravarti was telling us you were his instructor.
Yes. I remember in Malad, some Malad classes used to come. Malad or Goregaon. Very, very talented boy.
So do you remember training all these actors when you were an instructor as well?
Absolutely. I'll tell you an encounter that happened with me. I was teaching in Matunga, and there was this lady who used to come, and at that time she was doing Hampach. And she used to come, and she used to not be regular. But at one point we had to go on stage, so I asked her, I said, "Will you dance on stage, you know, whatever?" And she was fantastic. She said, "No, I've not come for too many classes, I won't dance on stage, but I'll finish the classes." Years later, I was doing a film called Tumhari Sullu. Walks in Vidya Balan, and I'm like, इतने साल पहले की बात किसको याद रहती, you know? And I was just another teacher in class, but she walked in, she looked at me, she's saying, "Oh, it's you," and I was like, "Wow, how did you remember?" I mean, that is Vidya Balan, because she remembers every little detail, and you know, so yeah, a lot of people have been in class. We've taught a lot of people like Lamoshi.
And do you remember how your big break came in films?
13 years later, I was with Shamak, and then at a point I said I want to do more in life. I don't think so dance is the way for me. And I always was inclined to films because of my father. And at the back of my head, I always wanted to get into filmmaking. I mean, there was always a thought that filmmaking karna hai. But kaise karna hai, kya karna hai, there was no idea. So, after being with Shamak for 13 years, I told Shamak that I want to try something new. And obviously Shamak said, you know, what do you want to do? I said, I want to probably, you know, try my luck into filmmaking or direction or something to that effect. He said, great, see what can happen. So I quit dance completely. This was in 2012-13. So dance was out of my life. I was looking for work where I could, you know, assist directors, and I had a list of directors from Anurag Basu to Imtiaz Ali to Mr. Anand L. Rai to, you know, lots of directors. How do I get to them? I don't know, because I've just danced for 13 years. I have no idea. And obviously the struggle started then, going to people's offices, you know, trying to find work and this and that and other. And my list ka pehla number was Anurag Dada. I was like, इनसे कैसे connect करूँ? And somehow I was talking to Rupali. I was like, क्या मेरे को ना इनको contact करना है? She's like, हाँ, I don't know him. I'm like, how? She's like, because we meet in Durga Puja and all. I met him and we know him very well and all. I said, please give me his number. So she gave me his number. I called him. Obviously at that time, things didn't work out and all of that. And then I started working. And then he called me one day saying that I'm making a film called Jagga Jasoos. And it's a musical. And I need someone who can be on set, who can also be a part of the choreography. मतलब इससे अच्छा opportunity तो और कोई नहीं मिल सकता. So then I started doing Jagga Jasoos. And that's how my entry into the world of independent filmmaking came in. And yeah, then Galti Se Mistake happened by mistake. It actually happened by mistake.
So that is the song I think that people really took note of your work. So
Yeah.
do you remember memories of that song?
Absolutely, absolutely. So while we were doing Jagga Jasoos, the film took a little longer to get made than usual, because it was one of a kind. Even today, a film like that has not been made ever in India. A musical, you know, where scenes are happening through songs and stuff. It was a different world altogether. To crack that was taking a lot of time, and to get the songs, to get the scenes written properly. So what had happened is, like, for the first 2 years, everyone was very pumped about the film. Shamak was there on the film also. We had got a lot of different people to jam. 2 years later, people thought ये film पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, बनेगी नहीं, क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं. You know, it was always like a if and but. And then a song came in, which was Galti Se Mistake. And we were just sitting, and I was an AD at that time. We were just sitting, and Dada just played the song. And he said, ये गाना सुन, किसको देना चाहिए गाना? मतलब I had a list of names. I said, इनको phone करता हूँ, मैं करता हूँ. I was very excited, so I started calling people. Everyone was busy. And we said कि अभी तो सब busy है, तो क्या करें? Dada said, देख करना तो है shoot. तो एक काम कर, just get 30 boys tomorrow. Let's try something. I'm like, okay. Literally, we were shooting a scene. And we just called 30 boys, dancing boys. They came. We said, अब क्या करें? RK was there, Dada was there. We just jammed. We came up with some steps. If you see that birthday cutting, cake cutting का that Dada came up with कि ऐसा कोई बैठेगा उसके ऊपर केक रखेंगे, काटेंगे उसको. That we shot on the first day. And then he said कि यार पता नहीं है, it's feeling too much out of the film, this song. So let's leave it for now. We did not touch the song for 4 months.
Oh, that's okay.
4 महीने हमने वो गाने को टच ही नहीं किया. Then he edited the film. He said, yeah, this song is nice. We should, you know, figure things out. 4 months later, we shot for 1 more day.
Okay.
Just a day.
Yeah.
And we put it in the edit. And he said, yeah, this is feeling correct. Again, 2 months, we didn't do anything. 2 months later, then he said कि अब ये गाना हम लोग properly करते हैं. And then that's how Galti Se Mistake happened. And then the rest is, I mean.
So you actually reshot.
We shot for 4 days. But over a period of 6 months. We used most of it. I mean, what you see. Yeah, but that man is a genius. I mean, the whole song is shot on just a wall, literally. If you see the song, there is, like, normally, you know, you have a set. You have 360 degrees or at least a 180 degree set, or, you know, ऐसे L wall होता है, कुछ तो होता है. He shot the entire song on like a flat wall. Film City की सीढ़ियाँ हैं वैसे. And it is remarkable how he pulls off stuff like that. Like, I've learned so much during the process of this film. And obviously that is helping me now to do my songs and my stuff that I do, produce, direct, all of that. Yeah.
And how was it with Ranbir Kapoor, like choreographing him? And
one of the best people I've worked with in the industry or anywhere is Ranbir Kapoor. As a human, as an actor, as a person, as a technician, as everything. He's a whole package. I don't think so there's anybody like him yet. I mean, obviously there is SRK and everyone who are wonderful, but there is, I feel, Ranbir is a legend, I feel. I mean, no matter how many films he does, works, doesn't work, but he's there for like at least another 20 years to be there easily.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.